So now she gets a bunny. She has a bunny, and Henry Jake has a bunny. Okay.
Henry Jake, that is so sweet.
So sweet.
Yeah, he was stuck. He was trying to get her bunny and he couldn't get it.
She's hugging the bunny. She's hugging it.
Henry
Kiss it.
Jacob, that is so sweet.
Kiss bunny. Oh. See, she's kissing bunny.
Minnie.
Do you want to kiss baby? Henry Jake, do you want to kiss baby? Kiss her on the cheek, see? Kiss her on the cheek.
Henry Jake, you want to give her a kiss?
You can give baby a kiss if you want.
You want to give baby Taylor a kiss,
Give
Henry
baby
Jake?
Taylor a kiss on the cheek right there.
Yeah,
Oh, so sweet.
that's very sweet. Okay, you just let Taylor kiss her. That's okay. Oh,
That was sweet, Henry Jake.
that's very sweet.
You're going to be a good big brother, you know that?
Mm-hmm.
Look, babies open their eyes. See? See your eyes? Hi, baby. She got little socks on, see? Look, she's holding the duck.
You like milk? Baby wants some milk.
She wants some milk, yeah. She likes milk.
What's that?
Did Henry Jake just kiss you? Yes. My brother just kissed you.
Now, where are you going with both those bunnies? Henry Jake, where are you going? Henry Jake, right back.